I'm Jel Jimenez, 31 from Quezon City. I stand for genderless, ageless, and non-conforming beauty and fitness. As an androgynous gay man, I grew up suppressing how I wanted to express myself. As a kid, I always saw gay men who either choose to be masculine or embrace their flamboyancy. But now we have the liberty to accept and celebrate both our masculine and feminine attributes. And because of this, I believe now is the perfect time to crown a superbot that can represent any gender or form of beauty. I want and I aim to be that non-binary representation so that no kid will be ashamed nor afraid to express their androgyny. This is my superbot era.
Thank you. Your question will be coming from
Jel.
Sir Ray.
Thanks for that, Jill.
Hi, yes.
What's the most important thing that your community has taught you?
I came from the rainbow community, and I think the most important thing it taught me is respect. It sounds cliche, but then respect begins at home, from your parents, from your brothers and sisters. And when you see that your community is one with your family, if you see every member as a brother and a sister, whether it's homosexual or heterosexual, we will move as one community in every society. That's all.
Male number 37.
Hi, I'm Ari Simangan, 46 years old from Baguio City. I stand for fitness, men's mental health, and empowered fatherhood. Because as a single dad, I learned that true strength isn't just physical, it's also mental and emotional. Fitness helped me to become stronger, healthier, and more present for my daughter. And I would like to remind men that it's okay to ask for help. And taking care of your mental health is a sign of strength. I hope to inspire others to live with discipline, resilience, and purpose. And this is my superbot here. Thank you.
Okay, Sir Carlo.
Hello, good afternoon, Ari.
Thanks.
You're a fashion photographer.
Yes.
Okay, so your question is, what's the quality of a Century Tuna ambassador that doesn't really appear in photo shoots? You don't see beyond the picture.
Actually, this seating over here right now, Jules. Actually, Jules is my batchmate. I'm from the ageless batch of 2008. The quality of a superbot. As a superbot, may kasabihan. Kailangan mong panindigan. When I joined in 2018, it was all about self-development. And 8 years after, I want to show progress. Because a superbot will always be forever a superbot.
Yes.
Male number 38.
Hello everyone, my name is Rel Yaput, 36 years old, from city of San Fernando, Pampanga. I stand for the shy introverts out there. Well, this is our fight because we deserve our spotlight. The CrossFit community has helped me discover discipline and courage in keeping myself. I joined the Century Tuna Superbot to influence a lot of people, especially the shy ones, to just step out of the world and show the world who they really are. And if my Superbot journey would influence even just a single person, then I know I already won. And this is my Superbot.
Thank you. Your question comes from Miss Jasmine.
Hi Earl, fellow introvert but extrovert pagka sa trabaho. I'd like to ask you, what's one thing that you have given up in order to maintain the discipline that you have for your health journey or fitness journey?
Well, to be honest, I really love fast food. I really like the cravings of fries, oily food, but you know, I realized when I grow older that I really need to take care of my body, especially my health. I witnessed how my parents go to the monthly checkup for their health, and from there, I've learned that I really need to do something. I really need to change something, and that is to take care of my body. Thank you.
Thank you, Earl.
Male number 39.
Hey guys, my name is Makoy Jimenez, 35 from Parañaque City. I stand for discipline because I believe that it is the foundation of every transformation. I am an Air Force reservist, and because of that, I learned that true strength is not measured by muscles alone. It is by your commitment to always becoming a man for others, and your perseverance to still continue charging forward even if the mission gets tough. Those values also shaped my Century Tuna Superbots journey. This is not my first attempt, this is my third action. And all the setbacks, I took them as a challenge to become stronger. Instead of giving up, I chose to improve, to become better physically, mentally, and emotionally. Because I believe that a superbot isn't built overnight. He's built through his eras of persistence, consistency, and passion. Beyond fitness, I also have a soft side. I am also a cabin crew mentor, a cabin crew trainer, soft skills trainer, and I mentor people to lead with excellence, serve with compassion, and to always put people first. So whether I'm wearing the military uniform, training for higher ups, mentoring future cabin crew, or just living life's everyday challenges, I just want to show that true transformation goes beyond being fit. It's having a strong being a strong person that inspires others. And this is my Superbots era.
Thank you, McCoy. Christelle has a question for you.
Hi, Emmanuel.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Yes.
So considering that this is your third time auditioning, can you tell us about your journey towards keeping and maintaining self-confidence, and how has it led you to where you are today?
Well, it's easy to say that just trust yourself. Just that you can do it. But confidence, just like being a superbot, it's not built overnight. You have to undergo a lot of challenges. And you have to overcome all those challenges. And little by little, all those hurdles will become your building block to become the best version of yourself. And with that, confidence follows. Thank you.
Male number 40.
Hello everyone, I'm Donnie Pangilinan. Kidding aside, I'm Austin Dizon, 27 years old, and I'm from Angeles City, Pampanga. As a true Kapampangan, and I really love so much food. We talked about food so much in our conversation that we forget about other stuff. But moving to Manila and becoming a model, I had a tough time and I struggled with my nutrition and my body health because I had to limit standards and stuff. But I overcome this, and I hope to make this platform more accessible nutrition for everyone. Because I know if I can do it, I really know and I really believe that everyone can do it as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Austin. Your question comes from Judge Jules.
Hey Austin,
Hello.
how come you didn't decide to be a PBA player? What's a quiet victory you've had this year that deserves to be celebrated?
My biggest victory this year was making myself better, going to the gym, taking care of myself as well. Because it helped me shape who I am right now and as a person, because I learned a lot of mistakes in the past. And I would admit that I learned so much. And I wanted to keep learning the future, to be an example to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.